In the last video that I uploaded, we create KMS keys so that we can use that when we encrypt our file with the server-side encryption KMS option. Now, once again, KMS, we have the choice to select a key that we create and manage. So the key that we created earlier, we can we can use that to encrypt our files. Now let me go back to the command line, and this time I'm gonna upload white.jpg. We did black last time, so what I'm gonna do is say AWS S3 copy white.jpg to my bucket, which is S3. Let me see if I still have, okay, I have the bucket here. Now, last time we just did SSE and it encrypted our file. Now this time what we want to do is say, after SSE, I want to say AWS, right, colon KMS. So I'm saying I want to use the KMS option to encrypt my keys, to encrypt my files. So after this, we have to provide SSE KMS key ID. Now at this point, I don't have my keys, right? So I'm just gonna press enter. I'm not gonna be able to do anything, but what I missed here was I need to find the key first, the key ID. Now from the last video, if you remember, what we did was to find the key that I want to use. I'm gonna say AWS KMS list aliases, right? Okay, now this is the key that I created in the last lesson. Now what I want to copy is the key ID right here. Now we can also use this. This key was created. You should also have something, a key with an alias AWS/S3. This will be there for all the accounts. Now you can either use this or the one we actually created earlier. In my case, I'm going to show you by using both. So alias my CLI key, I'm going to use this one first. So I will copy this key ID here. Okay, now clear the screen. I'm gonna bring up the command that I used earlier, AWS S3 copy this. Now after the key ID, I'm gonna paste the key ID, enter, and as you can see, we were able to upload this file to the bucket, white.jpg. So if I go to my bucket and refresh, I should have a white.jpg file. Click on this, actually click on it, and you will see that the KMS ID ends with 6F, right? 6F, and this is the key that we used. Now what I'm going to try to do is upload the same file but the different key, right? So as you can see, we can also use this with an alias of AWS/S3. Now we should be able to use this, right? So once again, what I did was I'm using this time the key with an alias of AWS S3. I'm going to copy this, and after the key ID, just like earlier, I'm going to paste this key ID now. Now as you can see, the file got uploaded one more time, and note the key ID, since I uploaded the same file with a different key. Let's see what happens now when I refresh. So the key right now is ending with B6F. Refresh. And the key has changed now. So as you can see, we can actually choose which key we encrypt our file with, right? We have more control. And when I use the key that I created, which is my CLI key, I can go deeper and I can say, this user can use this key, this user can manage this key, and we'll do that later in the KMS section. So at this point, what I want to do is try to use one more key that was right here. Let's see what this does, right? So I also have one more key. I don't know if you have this in your case, but I'm gonna try to show you something. So I'm gonna copy the alias of AWS RDS, Relational Database Service, target key ID. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna try to use this key and upload the file one more time, right? And I shouldn't be able to use this because this was created for RDS RDS service, right? Because as you can see, this is the key that I created in the earlier video. The S3 was created by Amazon for use with the S3 service in this region only, so I can only use this key in this region. Now other keys, when you see stuff like RDS and Kinesis and Redshift, you shouldn't be able to use those keys. And that's basically it. There is a key that's created by AWS to use within S3. You can create your own keys, like I did here, my CLI key, and but you cannot use cross key from a different service, right? That's basically it. This is how you encrypt by providing your KMS keys, and as you can see, you have more control of choosing your keys. So this concludes the lesson of KMS server-side encryption. I will see you in the next video where we do server-side encryption with customer provided keys. See you in that video.